Hello and welcome to Hoover Middle School for the school year 2020-2021. Now we realize that this year we cannot invite you to campus for a tour, but we can bring a virtual tour to you. Starting here with our Hoover Middle School marquee. This is located on Park Avenue, so if you are driving, walking, biking, or skating by, please remember to check it out. It is often updated with important dates and events coming up. Next, we have the main entrance, located on Sandringham Avenue. Check out the wonderful mosaic that is out there. You have two entrances there. One is for the attendance office. The attendance office is going to be incredibly important, especially during distance learning. Don't forget to call Miss Angelina and let us know when you will be out. On the other side, we have the entrance for the main office. The main office will help you handle all other needs. Whether you're buying a ticket for the dance, checking in on your schedule, or setting up an appointment with one of our administrators, the main office is the place to go. Don't forget to check in with Miss Carabino. This is the inner hallway, and it leads to the attendance office, nurse's office, main office, and administrative offices. Sometimes students hang out here when it's too cold outside. The health office is located in there as well. This is what it looks like. In our health office, you will have the opportunity to either call home, get a Band-Aid, get some ice. You can see we also have equipment for more serious injuries. Don't forget, you will need a pass to visit the nurse's office. This is our entrance to the main building from the quad. If you go in directly through these doors, you'll actually be faced with the media center. Speaking of the media center, here's another entrance to it. This one says, shh, quiet, brains at work. And it's true, because our media center is also our library. This is the inside. You'll notice that there are shelves upon shelves of books, all available to you. This space is one where you can check out books, use technology, work on puzzles, print papers, research, and we have our annual book fair right here in this room. Hoover also has amazing murals painted all around and inside the building. This is just one. It's actually just one panel, but I liked it so much we added it 2 extra times. Not only do we have art inside the building, but our building itself is art. This is the view of historic Hoover from Park Avenue. It's also right next to our historic Hoover Theater, where different performances, including orchestra, band, dance, and plays, will take place throughout the year. I like some hidden gems that are scattered throughout the historic building. This one is found in the 2nd floor staircase. I like to call him Fluffigan, but he's just our historic Hoover hound. This is a beautiful stained glass window in the main stairway of historic Hoover. This is only the top part of the window. It's actually a lot longer and more beautiful. Definitely want to take a look at it when the sun is coming in about midday. Also in historic Hoover is the Hoover Helpers Club. This is located in Miss Karen's office. She also has a tea time club during brunch, so don't forget to familiarize yourself with her office and all the cool programs that she runs. Found on the 2nd floor of historic Hoover, as soon as you enter from the stairway, you'll see this beautiful mural. This mural is actually pretty big and sits between 2 classrooms. Among it are painted lots of little details that represent different books in literature across time. Next, we have the 70s wing and the 60s wing. These 2 buildings are located between the main building and historic Hoover. There are mosaics and murals that line the hall of these classes, and these classes typically include our art classes, music, so orchestra, band, and mariachi. It also has a few science classes there as well. Don't forget to get to class early so that you'll be able to check out the wall art. This area is our gym area. You'll see that the pool is there and the gym is the building right behind it. This is the hall between the gym and the locker room doors. These locker room doors are where you will enter and exit to get attendance and follow directions from your PE teachers. While you wait outside on the bench, don't forget to check out the mosaic that's out there as well. It represents some of the programs that we have on campus, like basketball, soccer, volleyball, track and field, baseball, and so many more. And you can't walk past the quad without noticing somebody is going to be playing hoops. Before school, during lunch, after school. So go ahead, shoot your shot, and enjoy. Next to the gym is the cafeteria. This is where you will line up for brunch and lunch. Once you get your food, you're welcome to sit anywhere in the quad. The quad is the main space that we have available for students to walk around, enjoy, sit with each other, sometimes play their instruments outside, and we will often host fun events on the quad, especially during lunch. You can enjoy your brunch and lunch under our beautiful new shaded benches and lots of other areas there are for sitting around and hanging out with friends. Room 80 is right next to the cafeteria. And just a reminder, because the little guy in the photo, don't feed the birds. They will come back, chase us down, and they have been known to, well, drop a little poop here and there. So watch out. The best bet is just to clean up after yourself. Some more hidden artwork across the school. This is a pretty cool painting I actually just found recently. I don't know what's going on in this picture, so this would be a very cool thing to have a conversation with a social studies teacher about. As I've mentioned, we have art everywhere. These are two examples of doors that are located in the main building. The main building mostly has math and science classes, and their doors you can find solar systems, dragons, tigers, magicians. Just so you know, at Hoover, even though there's magic on some of these doors, there's a lot of magic behind every door and in each classroom. And lastly, you'll see posters like this all over the school that represent our RISE expectations. R stands for respect self and others. I stands for impact community. S, strive for excellence. And E, embrace diversity. And you'll get used to this soon. But one of our mottos on campus is when our principal says, when I rise, we respond with, we all rise. Thank you for visiting the virtual Herbert Hoover Middle School. We cannot wait to have you on our actual campus. Until then, visit this video as often as you like, and if you have any questions, who knows, maybe there'll be a second video.